Hey guys, I'm Clement Eastwood and this is the Artist Shire. So in this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 lessons I learned as a beginner photographer. Now these things are important because they will help you improve your craft and most importantly, help the business side of your photography. Now I'm going to get into it. Thing number 1, be consistent. When I say be consistent, I mean put in the effort, show up daily, be determined, create regularly. Now, when we speak about consistency, this is what comes into the mind of people. Show up every day. And this is true, this is right, show up every day. But then it does not just end at showing up, it continues. We should see consistency in your work. When you visit my Instagram, Clement Eastwood, when you visit my Instagram, you will see consistency in my work. I don't mix my niche up. I don't put in dogs. I don't put in pet photography, weddings. No, I have specialized in one thing, and that is what I'm focusing on. This is what consistency is. Showing up every day and having a messy portfolio is not consistency. It is disturbance. Now, thing number 2 is to be frugal. I remember, I think 2 years ago, I made 5,000 cedis in just 2 days. And I wasted the money on gear I did not need. I learned my lesson the hard way. It's not how much you earn, but then it's how much you are able to save. Now, thing number 3 is practicing minimalism. This is very important to the photographer. As I said, be frugal. Don't be driven away by the next new thing or gadget. To be successful, it's not just about winning more jobs. Winning more jobs is great. It's also about saving more money. Buy only what's needed and rent the things that you want. Rent the things that you will not be using daily. Sell the things which are useless to you. Now, there's a thing about using things, all right? Use it until it breaks. Use it until it needs fixing. Use it until you want to sell it. Don't just buy a thing and then buy another thing next year when you have not really utilized the first thing you already have. So it is important for you to use things and be minimal. Don't be overspending on things that you do not really need. Thing number 4 is there is no failure until you quit. Keep creating and keep failing. There is no other way. Fail to the top. Failing is just another opportunity to start again, but with better experience. Now, thing number 5, which is the last on my list. Patience. Patience. This is not talked about enough. Successful people invest lots of time into their work. You are no different. You might be broke, but then to be successful, you need to invest time in your work. Create your best whenever you pick up your camera and be patient with the process. Be patient with the process. This is very important. You can't hasten the process. You are here today. Utilize what you have today. Utilize whatever today is, whatever you're creating, be patient with it. And with time, you're going to grow your brand and you're going to grow your business. Keep creating and keep failing forward. If this episode brought you value, please do well to share this episode with other creators. And please do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you another time.